Okay everyone, we created this presentation in the previous slide video. Now I want to make lots of change in that to look another type. For example, you see some video like this on the internet and you want to make it look better for yourself. What you can do, we select all the thing we created here, paste it here. Okay, the main slides are similar and nothing gonna change. What about another part of it? For example, we want to first slide to look better. How we can do that? Let me bring it down. Some of you may think we can do it by putting everything down in this order. Okay, it's really good. Let's do that. We bring it down. And after that, we bring all of them down. But the important thing is that when you try to have an order, it always look better to look. See? Let's create an order. If you want to create the previous effect, you can see that in my channel previous video, but now we are going to create something new. I want to select them. Okay, it's good. Now one by one. And I'm going to continue this to the top. Some of you may ask, this has no order, this is not beautiful. I know, I'm going to create it to the way you like. Just wait a little. Okay, I think this is enough, or maybe we just go a little higher. Okay, we have lots of them, but this is not a problem. Okay, it's enough. We put all of them here now. Now we select all of them by pressing Ctrl A and then align them center and then align them here. Okay, you see here they are not looking like in the middle. For that we need to select them and bring them here by hand. Okay, it's good. Now we put it here and set the transition to morph. Let's see the effect that we created. Okay, let's have a look. You see, it has looked pretty amazing. It's like opening and closing a bundle. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments.